Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 ADV and I'm going to show you where's the cabin air filter over here, where it's located, how to replace it. I don't have the replacement, so I'm not going to replace it, but still I'm going to show you where to find it, how to access it and how to do it. And this car is here only for a few days, but still I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, open the glove box and inside you will find this cover, which you need to remove. There's a lock over here and you are able to remove it. And right now when it's removed, you can see another cover. This is for the actual air filter, and we have 3 positioning pins over here, so those are not locks, and there are 3 locks at the top, 1, 2, 3, and I believe you should pull them down and at the same time try to pull the cover. I'm not able to do this with one hand, so give me a second. Okay, I believe I released it. Yeah, right now up. There's a lot of junk over here, leaves and so on. There's the filter, and before you remove the old filter, keep in mind that you need to check the airflow direction. It should be indicated somewhere on this filter, so when you remove it, check on it. One of the sides should have an arrow pointing upwards or downward. This is important when installing the new filter, because the direction should be the same as in the old one. Of course, we are assuming that the old one was installed properly. Okay, and right now we can try to install the cover back on. It should be fairly simple. Just push it in place, 1, 2, 3, and now the cover of the glove box should be simple as well. Maybe not with one hand, but believe me, if I had 2 free hands, I would be able to do this within 10 seconds. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.